new zombie face filter. It turns regular people into scary zombies. But something went wrong. The mask isn't working. A zombie! What's wrong? Don't worry, Clemmy. They just don't know how nice you are. Zombie skin needs special care. Clemmy, I have a surprise for you. We are going to the movies. But I don't want to. I already bought tickets. We're going anyway. No one's here. I can take a nap. Whoa! Look at that! I think we'd better go back home. It's time to wash this shirt. Let's see. This t-shirt needs to be washed. Fresh dirt is better than any detergent. What? My t-shirt is ruined! Clementina! What have you done? I think it's better now. No! Not everyone wants dirt on their clothes! Snack time! What's in the fridge? Clementina also wants a snack. I'll never get used to this! Yummy! There's nothing better than fresh dirt! Clemmy, have you seen my bucket of worms for fishing? What bucket? Oh no! Don't say you ate it! Seriously? I am so done! There were barely any worms. So greedy. I'm leaving! Forever! Go ahead! Is it morning? I need to call Tin. I forgot. We got in a fight. What do I do without him? I can handle it. Oh, Clemmy! What are you doing? Do you like this bag? Not your color. Whoa! Perfect arm! I'll try it on. It's the perfect size! What's she doing? Let's get out of here! What's wrong? Oh, Clementina! Clementina, your grades are really low. This has to stop. I need to talk to your parents. If you insist. Meet my mom. Nice try, but this is not a joke, Clementina. I'd like to see your parents. But these are my parents. Clementina got a job at a candy store. Can I, What a weird store. Can I have this candy? Of course. Whoop! I'll get it. Hold on. Great service. Oh, my eyes. Here, got it. But I don't see as well. Here's your candy. Help! Who will pay for it? Clemmy, this job isn't for you. Sweetie, I know how much you like clowns. Surprise! Hi! Happy birthday! Whoops! My balloon! Dad! You ruined the party! It was an accident! I'll fix it! This is for you! We don't need this clown! Get out of here! Sweetie, this balloon is nice too! Thanks, Dad! You're not good enough! Next! Hi! I'm perfect for the role of the zombie! Well, I'm not sure. What else can you do? I can scare you! Not impressive. Turn around. What do you think? No, you don't look like a zombie at all. What do you mean? Hey, careful! Bravo! Amazing! You can leave. This is brilliant! You got the role! Pay attention! I'm gonna do a trick. Here's my finger. And now it's gone! We've already seen that. Really? A finger in a cup! Aw, looks like I'm not getting paid again. Oh, Clemmy! Hey, careful! But I need to go too! Move! It's horrible! Let's take the stairs! Yay! The elevator is free! Hi! Hi! I'm a hybrid! Want to take a walk? Oh, Clemmy! Sure! Look! A crow! Clemmy, where are you? Okay, let's play hide and seek. Where's Clementina? Boo! Now you're it! Are you hungry? Pick what you want. So much good stuff. What about my birthday cake? Looks good. Oh yeah! The candles are the best part. Here. Thanks. Yummy. More? Sure. Gross. Thanks for sharing. These are my family pictures. Here's me, my mom, and Dad. Will you show me your parents? Here's my dad. He's a skeleton. And my mom's a human. Good thing I have a picture of my cousin on Halloween. Whoa! Your mom is beautiful! Thanks, Clemmy. He reminds me of someone. Here are the rules. Don't aim at the head. Hit the cans. The more, the better. Got it? Got it. Your turn. Go! Oh yeah! Bullseye! Teamwork! Whoops! What? 10? No need to pretend. I got it! Sorry, Clemmy. I missed you! So did I! Let's never fight ever again! Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us what your favorite part was! And don't forget to give this video a like! Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.